Unlock precision and creativity with the best CNC router for woodworking. This powerful machine ensures accuracy, efficiency, and smooth carving, making it perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 1. Bosch Router for Woodworking. For woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike, this router delivers outstanding performance, durability, and convenience. The fixed base is equipped with threaded holes that enable seamless mounting onto a router table, utilizing a standard 3-hole pattern. Additionally, the inclusion of the RA1161 fixed base system allows for bit height adjustments from above the table, streamlining the routing process. Durability is a key feature thanks to its aluminum construction, making it one of the most robust wood rotors available. The wooden handles on the fixed base provide a traditional touch, ensuring a firm grip, while the soft grip handle on the plunge base enhances control and comfort during extended use. Precision is prioritized with rounded hardwood handles that optimize control, complemented by microfine bit depth adjustment to achieve accurate cutting results. Furthermore, the built-in constant response circuitry maintains a steady speed throughout operation, delivering clean and precise cuts every time. Powered by a 12-amp motor with an adjustable speed dial, users can modify the speed between 8,000 and 25,000 RPM, allowing for tailored power and efficiency for different tasks. Compatibility with the RA1129 template guide adapter set ensures quick and easy template changes, adding to the tool's versatility. The package includes essential accessories such as fixed base, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collate chucks, wrenches, chip shields, and mounting screws, making it a complete set ready for professional or home workshop use. Number 2. Skil Router for Woodworking, designed for precision routing and versatility. This router tool combo kit is an excellent addition to any woodworking setup. The inclusion of the Skil Router Table SRT1039 and the Skil 10 amp fixed base corded router RT1323-00 ensures that both heavy and fine routing tasks are handled with efficiency. The router table is equipped with above-the-table adjustment, integrated bit storage, and an aluminum miter gauge slot, providing convenience and accuracy. A router clamp, starter pin, and 2 feather boards add to the precision by offering excellent stability and guidance. The powerful 10-amp 2.0 horsepower motor in the fixed base router guarantees smooth and accurate routing from start to finish. Equipped with soft start technology, speed control, and a live tool indicator, users have enhanced control and safety. Handling large stock is made easy with the tall 16-inch aluminum fence, which spans 24 inches wide and is supported by 2 adjustable feather boards and MDF faceplates. The starter pin and guard further enhance the accuracy of intricate routing tasks. Designed to accommodate both professionals and hobbyists, this router ensures precision routing with minimal effort. Whether using the router table for heavy routing or the fixed base router for finer tasks, this tool delivers excellent results. The combination of power, convenience, and safety features makes this router a valuable asset for woodworkers looking for a reliable and efficient routing solution. Number 3. FoxAlien Router for Woodworking. A robust and highly efficient CNC router, this model is built with an all-aluminum structure, ensuring superior durability and stability. One of the most significant upgrades in the Masuder Pro is its Z-axis, which now features a linear rail instead of rods and a T8 lead screw, vastly improving accuracy and stability. A thoughtfully designed compact controller box enhances ease of use, with an accessible emergency stop button and home button. This dust-proof control box also ensures long-term maintenance is hassle-free. Compatibility is another strong suit of this router, as it includes 2 spindle clamps, 52mm and 65mm, allowing for customization. The 52mm clamp accommodates a 60-watt spindle, 300-watt spindle, and FoxAlien 20-watt, 40-watt modules, while the 65mm clamp can be used for custom upgrades, including a 1.5 kilowatt spindle. Additionally, a 69mm spindle clamp is available separately. The assembly process is user-friendly, with most parts pre-assembled, significantly reducing setup time to approximately 10 to 15 minutes. A detailed assembly manual is included for guidance. The active working area measures 15.75 inches by 15.75 inches by 2.36 inches, 400 by 400 by 60 millimeters, making it suitable for a variety of woodworking projects. Users can also extend the Y-axis for larger projects. Designed for both professionals and hobbyists, hobbyists, this router offers remarkable accuracy and performance, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality CNC machine for woodworking projects. Number 4. Genmitsu Router for Woodworking, an upgraded version of the 3018 CNC router. This model boasts improved precision and ease of assembly. Unlike previous versions, all components are pre-positioned, significantly reducing setup complexity and enhancing accuracy. Capable of cutting various materials such as plastics, soft aluminum, woods, acrylics, PVCs, and PCBs, it provides versatility for woodworking projects. The upgraded power adapter, UL approved for safety, supports a 20,000 RPM spindle right out of the box, eliminating the need to modify G-code for speed adjustments. The router operates using GRBL, a high-performance open-source control software that runs on Arduino, making it compatible with various CAM design software options, including Carvico Maker and Candle. Users can also upgrade their machine by adding a 3040 Y-axis extension kit, increasing working space. Additionally, optional spoil boards are available for enhanced stability and precision. The provided assembly instructions and user guides ensure a smooth setup process, with additional support available through the Saint Smart Resource Center. This router is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering precision, ease of use, and expandability for complex woodworking projects. Number 5. Longer Ray Router for Woodworking, engineered for unparalleled cutting performance. This laser cutting machine features an impressive 20,000 megawatt output laser module, with the ability to cut through 15mm pine wood, 0.05mm stainless steel, and 8mm acrylic in a single pass. It is a powerful tool for woodworking, engraving, and industrial use. It can even cut through thicker materials such as 25mm wood and 35mm acrylic with multiple passes. The router also features a newly upgraded 32-bit motherboard, ensuring smooth and stable operation. One of its standout features is the advanced built-in 256-bit color palette, combined with an ultra-fine compression spot of 0.08 times 0.1 millimeters, enabling incredibly detailed and high-contrast multicolor engravings. Users benefit from a 3.5-inch color touchscreen, offering an intuitive and user-friendly interface for monitoring engraving progress, adjusting speeds, and controlling settings. Multiple connectivity options, including USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, and app control, provide flexibility and convenience, with compatibility for professional engraving software such as Laser GRBL and Lightburn. Designed for continuous operation, this router supports 24/7 engraving and allows multiple machines to be controlled from a single computer, making it an ideal choice for professional workshops, factories, and businesses. Whether for commercial use or personal projects, this machine delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and precision. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.